It is getting ugly, folks. Right after I turned off my camera, got a huge clap of thunder. And Birdie's inside worried because her mom's outside being fearless up on the roof fixing things, but I don't want to leak. This RV is about 22 years old and it's in good condition because I keep up with it. So, and these have cracks in them, so I need new vent covers, but until I can get some, this will have to do. I had planned on getting these caulked, but I couldn't get it done. So there we go, new fresh tape over the bad areas. No wet bed for me. So there you go. Okay, it probably is time to get off the roof. Woo! I tell you, life in an RV. But if this was a house, and if this was a roof leak in a house, it'd be way worse. So make sure that's down nice and flat, steady. See if we can catch some lightning. I don't know if you can hear the thunder over my AC. Over here we got blue skies. But darn it, I was really hoping to get this caulking and everything finished. Or started, really. But I ran out of time. We went into, the ozone got really bad. It turned into purple, which is the highest. It goes from orange to red to purple. Red is not good. Purple is the most dangerous. And I went to the doctor today because I got very, very sick last week. When it turned purple for several days, I couldn't come outside. I couldn't be around anybody that smoked cigarettes. I had to take off a couple of days' work because I couldn't do anything. I had no energy at all. And yeah, I have asthma. So that's what the doctor told me. And she said that's typical. So now I gotta watch. I put the Wonderground app on my phone, and it's a super great app because it gives me the ozone, the pollens. I'm not allergic to pollens, fortunately, and the air quality. And I feel it starting to rain. So, okay. Catch y'all later. I was hoping to catch some lightning for you. Every time I turn off the phone is when it happens. Can one more? Huh? No? You're gonna strike me off this roof if I don't get off it, right? Okay, catch y'all later. Live the life you love. Stay safe.